Hey, you all. Hope you all are doing well and adjusted with this new normal life. Today, I thought of sharing a green day of my life. After the lockdown, it's my first outing, and the place where I choose to go is definitely a nursery. As for me, investing on a plant is much more profitable than buying anything else because they are the most faithful living being for me. And this place is my all-time favorite as they have huge collection of plant and plant accessories. I feel very close to the nature whenever I visit here. Searching for new plants, admiring the variety of colors of flowers and foliages give me immense joy. The nature is the biggest artist itself. It surprises us in every way it can. As example, look at this oxalis. Don't you think they looks like beautiful purple butterflies? And these pothos. They had all my heart. They are too pretty to handle, with their variety of foliages and their hanging trails. So the same about this moon cactus. Look at the round shapes and rare colors on their top. I am their all-time admirer. For me, gardening is a form of art, and art cannot be completed without right projection. I believe organized garden is the best garden that anyone can have. See these pretty planters. They are the showstopper of every garden. They beautify the place. They have variety of colors, quality and designs. So, today's purchase is these beauties. Although, except this triastar, rest of all plants are my sister's birthday gift. Yes, you are right. We are plant crazy family. We gift plants to each other for every single occasion, as we believe gifting a plant means gifting a life. And now, it's time to get back to home and enjoy the bike ride. It's time to get sanitized. So, the plant babies are finally at home. Although I am changing these planters so that my sister can put these plants into her hanging planters directly, but trust me, it's not a good option to change the planter or soil coming it just after from the nursery. as the place changing is a great shock for a plant. So we should give the plant some time to get adjusted with the new atmosphere. Hope you enjoyed this green day along with me. And here I am sharing some of the glimpses of my sister's small birthday celebration to make you part of our happiness. Also, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, O School Buddies, and ring the bell icon just to get the latest updates. Stay tuned for such more videos. Till then, have a great time.